Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got a wonderful chocolate chessboard cake for you. Start by whisking 6 eggs together in a mixing bowl with 500 grams of cake mix. Add 100 millilitres of milk and 60 millilitres of oil. Once all combined, just pop it aside and in a new bowl add 20 grams of cocoa powder and 60 millilitres of hot water. Give it a mix till all the cocoa powder has dissolved. Now pour half of your cake mixture into a separate bowl and add in your chocolate mixture. Give it a stir. This will make the chocolate part of your cake. Let's pour both parts into readily lined cake tins. Bake those in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. While those are cooking, we're going to bring to the boil 200 millilitres of heavy cream, plus 10 grams of Earl Grey tea leaves. Give them a mix and let them boil. Next, melt 200 grams of dark chocolate. Then through a sieve, pour in your cream mixture. Use a spoon to ease it through. No problem if a few of the tea leaves escape through the holes. Just give that a mix. There. Pop it aside and in a new bowl add 200 millilitres of whipping cream and 10 grams of icing sugar. Whisk it up till it's thickened. Now lay out your cakes. And we're going to use a circular cutter on each cake. Starting with large, then medium, then small. Now remove every other piece from each cake and switch them over. This is how we're going to create our lovely checkered effect. Right, let's build the final showpiece. One layer goes on there, covered in chocolate ganache. Spread it out evenly, then pop on the next layer, and so on. Now cover the entire cake with your whipped cream and icing sugar mixture. Smoothing it out. And pour on the rest of your chocolate ganache. Spreading it out very carefully, allowing it to drip down the sides. Fantastic. Now let's decorate with some more whipped cream, piped on with a decorative piping nozzle. And how about a few chocolate-dipped macarons? Light to dark, light to dark. Continuing with the checkered theme. And there you have it. Absolutely amazing. And the only thing left to do now is dig in. And it's checkmate. Enjoy! Here's 2 fantastic chocolate cake decoration ideas. Start by heating 200 millilitres of heavy cream and 100 millilitres of milk. Bring those to the boil, give it a quick mix. Then turn off the heat and pour it over 400 grams of dark chocolate. Mix until the chocolate has melted through. Then add in 50 grams of butter. Now get your chocolate cake, pop it on a display board and put on some chocolate buttercream frosting. Layer it up. Smoothing around the edges. Then pipe on more buttercream frosting to cover the sides. Smoothing it out. And pipe on the chocolate ganache. All the way around the edge, letting it drip down the sides. And let's cover the top too. Smoothing it out. Perfect! Let's decorate. We're adding a chocolate glazed donut. Or 2. Or 3. And some Ferrero Rocher. Some Kit Kat balls. And chocolate bars. Decorate with any chocolate of your choice. Using the chocolate buttercream frosting as glue to stick it on. And there you have a wonderful work of art. Chocolate paradise. What an amazing showstopper for any party. Now for our second decoration idea, cutting out the centre of some chocolate cakes. Then get a full one, cover with buttercream frosting, smooth around the edges, and pop on your cake ring. Layering it up with buttercream frosting and filling the hole in the middle with chocolate ganache. Let's cover that up. Coating the entire cake now. Smooth and lovely. Time to decorate! We're going to add some chocolate shavings using a box grater or microplane. Covering the top. Stick some on the sides. In fact, let's do the whole cake. Then decorate the top with some chocolate ganache, piped on with a decorative piping nozzle. Stick on some Ferrero Rocher chocolates. A bit more chocolate ganache around the bottom of the cake. And there you have it! A wonderful Ferrero Rocher shredded chocolate lava cake. Ooh, delicious. So, which design do you prefer? Ooh, so hard to decide. We've got a wonderful 3-layered Oreo brownie and cookie cake for you today. Want to give it a go? Chuck some Oreo cookies into a blender. Give it a whiz. Brilliant. Now add 250 grams of butter to a mixing bowl and blend it up. Pour in 400 grams of icing sugar in 2 parts. That's to stop it getting too messy. Whisk away. Excellent! Your buttercream icing is ready to split into 2 bowls. In one bowl, pour your mashed Oreo. Mix it up. Now layer that on your vanilla cake. Spreading it out evenly. Chocolate brownie goes on top. More buttercream icing. And a giant chocolate chip cookie. Amazing. Smooth around the outside. And coat in plain buttercream icing. Hiding the wonderful layers that lie within. Now melt some dark chocolate in hot whipping cream. And your chocolate ganache is ready to pour on the cake. carefully spreading it out, letting it drip down the sides, and decorate with brownies, Oreo cookies, of course, and let's not forget chocolate chip cookies. And there you have it! A cake with cookies and brownies! Delicious! Why not give it a go? Enjoy!